Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. This is a case study video on which I will show you how I earned $300 in a week just by doing free traffic methods, and I'm going to reveal which of the free traffic methods I have utilized for earning this amount of money. This is really an awesome strategy which you can start working on just after watching these videos, and this is really a fun to do strategy and really easy. Even a 14-year-old or even a kid who knows how to use Facebook, Instagram or YouTube can do this stuff. Okay, so this is really easy, this is really simple. You can just do, all you have to do is take action and put in some work so that you can earn this money. Okay, so now let's jump into the content and I will show you exactly what I did to earn $300 this week. Okay, so first of all, let's go to clickbank. I will show you my results. Okay, so you can see this. This is the week which I am talking about. 9th December, I got $155. On 10th December, it's $24.92. On 13th December, it's 109. Till Saturday is left. Okay, so I am recording this video. So yeah, you can see this here. It is all the earnings are over here, which you can see. Okay, let me refresh the page because most of the people say that they can be fake screenshots. That's why I always show them the page refreshing it. Okay, now how I made this possible with free traffic. Okay, this is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch this video carefully till the end. Okay, now so the first method which I utilized to earn this earning is called Facebook groups. Okay, so many of the people may know that you can post this, you can create Facebook posts, okay, on the Facebook groups. Just join groups like this one. This is one of the groups which I have joined. You can see here I have joined many of the groups, manifest, likes and shares, for example, online business, and there are so many other groups on Facebook which you can join. Okay, so this is one of the group which is known as Archangel Michael, the Law of Attraction. You can join this type of Law of Attraction groups. Okay, now I will show you one of my posts. Okay, on this group you can see this here. I have posted this thing. Okay, this is the image which I have posted. This is about a law of attraction, and what I have given is that if you are really serious, want to change your life path, then watch this video for free. And here I have provided the affiliate link, okay, of this of the product which I am currently promoting. The product is known as Overnight Millionaire System. All you have to do is just go to clickbank and search it up in the marketplace, and you can find the product Overnight Millionaire System by Weasley Virgin. Okay, that's the product which I am promoting. Okay, so all you have to do is just go over here and check this out. See, this is the type of posts which you have to create on this type of Facebook groups. There are thousands and thousands of Facebook groups, and new are created every single day. So what you have to do is just join most of them as much as possible and just start posting this type of posts. Okay, if they don't allow you in one group to post an affiliate link, then leave that group and join another one which allows you to post some affiliate links. Okay, this is really the working strategy or a working trick which many of the affiliate marketers, including me, use. Okay, so this is first strategy, and the second strategy is what I have shown you in the last video, but the detailed discussion of the strategy was not possible. Okay, so here I am writing it, money flow. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel which I have just created. It only has got 13 subscribers and 44, but I have uploaded almost 44 videos on it. This channel just gets 200 to 250 views in a month, but this channel generates me all these things, all this money, because this channel generates me this clickbank commissions, because because in all the 44 videos I have provided the link in the description, and that is the affiliate link of the product Overnight Millionaire System. So whatever the views come in this channel, the people are directly redirected to my affiliate link. From that, if they click the link in the description, and I earn money if they buy the product. So this is really easy, this is really simple. Anyone can do this simple stuff and start earning almost $300 a week. Okay, so this is what I am saying. I'm not saying that I am earning $1,000 a day or a million or more or hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, because I am not earning that amount of money. I can just teach you how to earn $300 a week, because that is what I am earning until now. But if you just keep supporting this channel, and uh, I also learn a lot of things from you. So if you keep supporting this channel, subscribe to my channel, and just by watching my content, you help me out, you motivate me to do a better work. So if your support just stays here on this channel, then we may also achieve $1,000 a week, and even hundreds of $1,000 a week will also become possible some of the days. So everything is possible over here. Okay, clickbank and affiliate marketing are the greatest, what can we say, assets which are money making machines for 2020. So what I want to say is, just get inspired. Don't be that guy who does not take any action, who just watches this type kind of video just for entertainment. If you are that kind of guy, then please don't watch my videos. If you really want to earn money and are willing to take action, then this is what I'm going to say, that just watch my videos and take action on every single step, every single method. Apply it, try it. No matter what, you have to grind, you have to hustle to make money, because I have been hustling for a very long period of time. Until then, I found my first sale. To achieve my first sale on ClickBank, it took me 6 months. Okay, 6 months of work without any result. But all that resilience, all that consistency paid me off. And that's what will happen with you if you start working on ClickBank. This is really a great way to make money online easily from the comfort of your home. So if you like this video, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.